Today's top story in heavy-duty diesel engine oils is the performance upgrade referred to as PC-11. This presentation will provide you with the essential information to help you better understand the drivers and requirements of PC-11, and will introduce you to our purest heavy-duty engine oil products, which are specifically formulated to exceed original equipment manufacturer's requirements and the new PC-11 specification. PC-11 is a new performance category for engine oils designed for use in modern diesel engines in North America. Supply of these new engines will vary by engine builder, with initial supply starting for 2017 model year engines. Heavy-duty diesel OEMs require improvements in lubricant performance because engine operating conditions have become more severe over the last 10 years, as engine designs and operation change to meet tightening EPA emission regulations. The latest regulations include a reduction in greenhouse gas emissions, specifically carbon dioxide, and for the first time introduces fuel economy targets set by the NHTSA. To meet the needs of today's engines and to achieve greater improvements in fuel economy, the American Petroleum Institute, or API, will introduce two new oil service categories as part of PC-11. API CK4 engine oils will exceed the performance of the current API CJ4 oils, thereby providing enhanced performance in current and future engine designs. These engine oils will be backward serviceable and can be used in older diesel engines as well. API FA4 engine oils will be introduced as a new service category for lower viscosity engine oils that'll deliver greater fuel economy and further reduce greenhouse gas emissions. However, these FA4 engine oils may not be back serviceable, and equipment owners will need to carefully follow each engine builder's recommendations on the use of API FA4 engine oils in their engine. There are three performance benefits associated with the introduction of PC-11 engine oils. The first benefit is improved engine oil oxidation protection. New engine design strategies for some original equipment manufacturers will result in engines operating at higher temperatures and the need for greater oxidation protection. This requirement has given rise to the development of the Volvo T13 engine test as part of the PC-11 specification. The second benefit is improved oil aeration control. Critical engine parts like bearings are susceptible to wear from cavitation due to air entrainment in the oil. In some applications, the engine oil serves as a hydraulic fluid. In these applications, oil aeration control is critical for the proper operation of these engine components. This requirement has given rise to the development of the Caterpillar Engine Oil Aeration Test, often referred to as the COAT. The third benefit is improved fuel economy. When used in conjunction with modern diesel engines and the recommendations of the original equipment manufacturer, API FA4 will provide increased fuel economy over conventional heavy-duty diesel engine oils. The API FA4 category will allow the use of lower high-temperature, high-shear viscosity engine oils that contribute to greater fuel economy in diesel engines. Now let's talk about the expected market demand for API CK4 and F84 engine oils. The API will allow licensing of API CK4 and FA4 starting December 1, 2016. Several North American original equipment manufacturers will have their own specifications with additional requirements or tighter limits to complement these new API categories. Demand for API CK4 engine oils is uncertain. The expectation is, as equipment owners purchase model year 2017 engines starting in January 2017, they will require the use of API CK4 engine oils. As engine oil recommendations from the OEMs become clearer, so will the rate of transition from the current quality level API CJ4 to the new quality level API CK4. Demand for API FA4 engine oils will take some time to grow due to limited applications in 2017 and limited backward serviceability. Most end users will not want to carry multiple engine oils for their fleets. Several OEMs are evaluating the impact of these new, lower viscosity oils in their new engine designs, and recommendations for their use will have to wait until after their evaluations are completed. Now let's compare API CK4 and FA4 engine oils. API CK4 oils will be suitable for use in both older and newer engine designs, whereas API FA4 oils are primarily intended for use in modern diesel engines designed to run on these lower viscosity oils. API CK4 oils are backward serviceable with API CJ4 and older engine oil quality levels, whereas API FA4 oils are considered not back serviceable by the API. And with limited back serviceability, equipment owners should follow their OEM recommendations for the use of API FA4 oils in their engines. API CK4 oils will be available in multi-grade 40 and 30 weight viscosity grades, where the high temperature, high shear viscosity is greater than 3.5 centipoise. Whereas API FA4 oils will be available in multi-grade 30 weight oils only, with a high temperature, high shear viscosity of only 2.9 to 3.2 centipoise. This is lower than has ever been used in the heavy-duty diesel industry in North America. Both API CK4 and API FA4 oils will provide improved oxidation protection and aeration control. API CK4 engine oils will represent a significant improvement over the current API CJ4 engine oils. Many of the improved attributes of API CK4 oils are highlighted in this spider diagram. Thermal management, which has driven improvements in oxidation protection, and aeration control are the most significant improvements in engine oil quality. In addition, end users should realize benefits in other performance attributes, as noted in this diagram. Purus heavy-duty engine oils have been delivering unsurpassed performance in on-highway and off-road applications since their introduction. The Purus Advantage for API CJ4 has been well received by end users, providing engine protection and peak performance, while at the same time extending engine oil life. The Purus Advantage with API CK4 will allow you to exceed the needs of heavy-duty OEMs for their modern 2017 engines. To the Purus lineup, we'll add several new products, including an API CK4 SAE 15W40 and SAE 10W30, as well as an API FA4 SAE 10W30 that builds on the current advantages of the Purus heavy-duty engine oils, including superior acid neutralization to protect equipment from corrosive wear, a patented dispersant that prevents soot particles from agglomerating and causing abrasive wear, and a unique field-proven anti-wear chemistry that protects vital engine components. In addition, for API CK4, we've added to the Purus Advantage with 60% more oxidation protection from the Volvo T13 test and excellent aeration protection from the Caterpillar engine oil aeration test. In addition to the current CJ4 Purus products, we'll be adding a full line of Purus CK4 and FA4 licensed oils available starting December 2016. For more information about all Purus products, contact your local authorized distributor or visit us on the web at www.purusproducts.com.